Hello students, you are studying the chapter coordinate geometry. In this you have finished till example number 12. Example 13 is given. Find the area of triangle formed by the points PQR minus 1.5, P minus 1.5, comma 3, Q 6 point, comma minus 2, R minus 3, comma 4. You want to find out the area of this triangle. So it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle PQR. PQR is equal to, area of triangle PQR is equal to half x1 2 minus 3, x2 3 minus 1, x3 1 minus 2. Put the values here. Half, what is the x1? Minus 1.5, y2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 2 minus 4, plus x2 6, y3 y1, here y3 minus y1, 4 minus 3, x3 minus 3, here y1 minus y2, 3 minus minus 2 means 3 plus 2. You will get half into minus 1.5 minus 6 plus 6 into 1 plus minus 3 into 5. So half minus 1.5, 15 minus minus plus 15, 6 ja 90 means 9.0 plus 6 minus 15. What are you getting? Half 15 minus 15 gives you half into 0 is equal to 0. Area is 0, it means the row triangle, therefore because area is 0, therefore P, Q, R are collinear points. Collinear. In the distance formula I have told you collinear. So if the collinear you want to prove, it is not given by any rule. Question exercise 7.1 also you can do. Prove that these points are collinear. You find the area. If area is 0, then it is a collinear. Easily you can get. Example 14. Example 14 is given here. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if points are given 2, 3, 4k, 2, 3, B, 4k and C 6 minus 2, C 6 minus 3. These are collinear, it is given. What is given? These are collinear given. If these are collinear, then what will you get? It means you have just now seen. So it is a rule. If area of triangle is area, then its vertices are collinear. So find the k, since because points are collinear. Points are collinear. So area of triangle is equal to 0. So half you will write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. So half x1, what is the x1? 2 into k minus plus 3, x2 plus 4 into minus 3 plus x3 6 into 3 minus k is equal to 0. You will get this. It is all given values. You can get it. It is equal to 0. Now you solve it. What will you get? Here I have written half in bracket 2k plus 6 plus 4 into minus 3, 4 3 the 12. You are getting 3 plus 3 6, 6 4 the 24 minus 24 plus 18 minus 6k is equal to 0. Half will go that side, 0. So 2k minus 6k. Here 2k minus 6k minus 24, 24 plus 6 plus 18 is equal to 0. So 8k minus 4k, minus is there, minus 4k, minus 4k is equal minus 24 plus 24 is equal to 0. So what are you getting? 24 cancel, minus 4k is equal to 0, then k is equal to 0. It is the value of k. Example 15 is given. For the k you can do this area formula we will use for collinear. Question number 16 is given here. Example 16, A5 comma minus 7, minus 5 comma 7, and B minus 4 comma minus 5, C minus 1 comma minus 6, and point D, which is given here, 4 comma 5. Are the vertices of a quadrilateral. It is a vertices of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. So, when you join the diagonal, you want to find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD. Area of the quadrilateral ABCD. ABD. You can get the minus 5, 7. It is minus 4, minus 5. It is minus 1, minus 6, and it is 4 and 5. It is given. So by this, by joining BD, you are getting two triangles. So area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. You calculate the area of both the triangle by formula. Which formula? Formula of the area of triangle. You calculate both by these two. Area of triangle ABD is equal to half. You will take this ratio minus 5, 7, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, and minus here 4 and 5. What is 4 comma 5? You will take. This is your 4 comma 5. These are all the three, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Apply the formula minus 4, minus 5, minus 5, plus minus 4, 5 minus 5, plus 4, x3, 5 plus 5. That you will get. Apply the formula like this. You are getting ABD. ABD. What is the formula given? ABD. Here 7 is there. Minus 5 comma 7 is there. It is wrong. So minus 4. What are you getting? Minus 4, minus 5, minus 7. I have written wrong. Just 1 minute wait. Here I have written wrongly that A. What is the coordinate of A? Minus 5 comma 7 and minus 4 comma minus 5, 4 comma 5. According to this you will write here, you will get the minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, and then minus 4, 5 minus 7, minus 4, 5 minus 7, this is 5, 5 minus y2 minus y1, x3, 4, y1 minus y2, means 7 plus 5. You are getting, what will you get? 1 by 2 minus 5 into minus 10 plus minus 4 into minus 2 plus 4 into 12. You will get half into 50 plus minus minus plus 8 plus 48. What are you getting? Half into 106, and that will be given you 53, 2 5 the 10, 2 3, 53 square unit. Like this you will get the area of triangle BCD. What is BCD? Area of triangle BCD, where what is the coordinate? Minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 6, 4 comma 5. x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 you will take accordingly. Then area of triangle is equal to half minus 4 minus 6 minus 5 plus minus 1, this 5 plus 5 plus 4 into minus 5 you will get. So half minus 4 into minus 11 minus 1 10 plus 4 minus 10 you are getting. So what is here? 11 4 ja 44 minus 10 minus 40. So you are getting half 44 minus 50. So half you will get minus 6, that is minus 3 square unit. What are you getting? 44 minus 5 in the 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 5 10, 10 4 the 40 plus 40. So what are you getting here? Minus 1 minus 5 plus 6. I have written minus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 is there, minus 5 here, this 4 minus 5 plus 6, yes, it is wrong. Minus 5 plus 6, it is a y2. Y2 means y1 minus y2 plus 6 will give you 5 4 1. So here you are getting 1. 44 plus 10 minus 4. 44 plus 10 minus 44 means 48 minus 10. What are you getting? 48 minus 10 you will get 38. 38 will be 19. 19 square unit. If it is negative, then also Ranti. Therefore, area of quadrilateral is equal to 53 plus 19. 72 square unit. But you will do the question according to this. If here minus is coming, minus 19, then also you will take, in the one example I have told you, area will be positive. You write 19 plus and here you add, don't subtract it. Negative in the, don't subtract. Last question is given 15. It was the last example. Now you will start the exercise in the next lecture. Thanks.